Is your printer suddenly refusing to print in color? You're not alone, and it's usually a quick fix. The most common reason is low or empty color ink cartridges. Even if just one color runs out, your printer may stop printing in color entirely. Check your ink levels in your printer software or on the printer's display screen. The second cause is a clogged printhead. If your color ink sits unused for a while, the nozzles can dry out and block color from flowing. Run a printhead cleaning cycle from your printer's maintenance menu. Most printers let you do this in under 2 minutes. Third, check your print settings. Sometimes documents default to grayscale or black and white mode. Open your print dialog, go to Preferences, and make sure color is selected. And fourth, if you're using third-party ink cartridges, some printers won't recognize them and default to black only. Switching to compatible cartridges from CastleInk fixes this instantly. CastleInk has replacement ink for HP, Canon, Epson, and Brother at up to 70% less than retail. Link is in the description.